Introducing the Matador Garage Door Insulation Kit. The Matador Garage Door Insulation Kit transforms your garage into a comfortable year-round space in less than 1 hour. The white laminated boards are easy to install and easy to clean, giving your garage a nice finished look. Save energy and reduce your environmental footprint. Step 1. Measure the distance between the vertical rails. Step 2. Cut the insulation board to the proper length. For non-standard doors, you may need to measure the height of the door panel as well, trimming the board as needed. Step 3. Insert the insulation board into the top edge of the door panel with the laminate side facing out. Carefully bend the bottom and snap into place. Our universal kit fits all 8-foot or 9-foot metal garage doors. No specific tools are required. You will need a tape measure, utility knife, and a straight edge. Please use safety goggles and work gloves during installation. In less than an hour, you can put an addition on your home by transforming your garage into a workshop, rec room, or exercise area. Save money on heating and cooling costs by keeping your garage warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Order online at doorinsulationkit.com.